We just moved into this new apartment in Beechwood Canyon where the Hollywood sign is. And I want to show you a cool thing the owner let us do. Is put this cat door. And it goes all the way down there. So the cat goes in here, goes up here, in there, and then it goes inside our apartment because it's an indoor-outdoor cat. So I'll show you. So there's that. Okay, so apartment. It's a bit of a mess. We've got a kid who just moved in. But he goes into that corner over there. Let's see how. And that's where he comes in. So we have two cats that are indoor-outdoor cats, and one of them's been using it. The other one hasn't been using it yet. But it's pretty cool. You know, poked a hole through the stucco. Obviously we paid for it, and we'll pay for it to put it back when we move out. But here it is again. And there's the hole inside. I don't know if you can see it. Still stuck on there. But yeah, that's it. Pretty much tells itself, do it yourself unique cat door.